Welcome to Kharis Tutorials. I'm Simeon Grace. I'll be working on this dress. It's an off-shoulder dress with a princess dart with a sweetheart neck and also double step flare at the base. I'll be using 3 yards of fabric to make this tutorial, and we'll be needing the underbust and the knee length measurements and the full length. We'll also be needing the shoulder, the round shoulder measurements, the bust, underbust circumference, waist, and the hip measurements. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell as well. So alright, there's need for us to join the princess dart first before cutting out the lining. So I'm going to join the princess dart for both the front and the back, then we'll cut out the lining. Okay, so I've done the cutting of the lining, and the next thing to do is to turn the fabric with the lining. So I'll just place the lining on the material, I'll turn the neck, I'll notch and top stitch on the lining, then I'll close the sides. I'll do the same to the back as well. Alright, next I'm going to fix the zip, and to do that I'll measure the zip space and leave. So I'll join the remaining parts before fixing the zip. Next is to bring out the shape, and to do that it's going to be the measurement, the circumference measurement divided by 2. Like I have the bust of 38 inches, divided by 2 is 19, and altogether I have 20 inches, so that's half inch and half inch on both sides. Also, I have the under bust circumference measurement divided by 2. Whatever excess you have, you share it on both sides, and the waist and the hip as well. So let's bring out the shape. Okay, we have the flare. This is the first and the second step. So to attach it to the base of our dress, we'll just bring it together and we'll join. Alright, we've attached the flake to the base of our dress. So now the flake part of it, you can either weave or you fold it, or you can also turn with the lining. So whichever one you choose to do, you're good to go. And the last thing we're going to do is to fix the sleeve. So I'm just going to fold the flake first, then we'll come back to the sleeve. Alright, so to attach the sleeve, first I need to fold in the base. So I'm going to fold it in, then I'll attach the sleeve to the Make sure you weave all the necessary parts and also iron properly. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly click the subscribe button and click the bell as well. So this is the end of our tutorial. We have the front ready. We have the front and the back. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at Afriq TV. Follow me on Facebook and on Instagram as well at Kharis Kreations.